This has to be one of the best care packages I have ever gotten in my YouTube social media career. And that is saying something because I have had a lot of packages. In this box is the Starfield limited edition 7900 XTX GPU and the matching 7800 X3D chip. Now, not only do we get to unbox this today for you guys, but we get to give away a special edition bundle to one lucky person in our community, which is freaking amazing. That is so cool. Huge shout out to AMD for allowing us to do that. And we're gonna be doing that giveaway over on our Instagram. So if you're not following us here, make sure you are, because this is a one in a lifetime chance to win this GPU. But without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. So we're gonna unbox this ASMR style, so we all get the experience of unboxing it for the first time together. Wow, this looks phenomenal. Look at the detail in the box for the GPU and the CPU. Oh, it's so pretty. So for reference, I have the same CPU chip as this one, but the ordinary version. So I'll show you on the top down what the difference in that is. This is so exciting. All right, so let's open the CPU first. I'll give you guys a look at the box. So it is the AMD Ryzen 7000 series processor, the 7800 X3D. We've got all the Starfield logos on it, on both sides, on the back. Oh, this packaging is so pretty. I almost feel bad that we have to open this up. I don't want to ruin it. I need a different knife. Here we go. Oh, wow. Oh, look at the Starfield logo and the picture down at the bottom. How cool is that? And we even got the stripes. Dude, AMD really outdid themselves with this freaking packaging, seriously. I don't want to take the chip out of the box yet, so we're gonna put this back. And we're going to move on to the GPU. So this is what the box looks like for the GPU. We've got the AMD Radeon RX 7900 XTX logo up there. We've got the Starfield logo. And then let's see, on the side, AMD. And then on the back, we've got another photo of the game Starfield and their logos all down here. Wow, this is such beautiful packaging. Wow. Ooh, look at the card. It's so beautiful. I am honestly speechless right now. This is such a gorgeous card. Oh my God, look at the back of it. Let's go ahead and look at everything on the GPU. So on the front, we've got all the Starfield logos on the fans. That is really cool. And then we've also got the little Starfield triangles and like logos, graphic boosters, propellant. That's super cool. And then on the side, we've got the Starfield stripes and, oh my God, and the logo and little stars on the side. Oh, that is so cool. And then on the back, we have the same design, but the Starfield logo and property of constellation. How cool. Let me go grab Josh so that he can see this for the first time. I'm gonna have him open the box too. It is better than we both could have ever expected, okay?
Okay. Okay. Oh, wow, that's super cool. Damn. So the two boxes are inside here, right?
Yeah.
Wow, that looks so freaking cool. I love the color scheme for
Right?
Starfield.
They did such a good job with it. It does not come out of the box.
Oh, I see.
Don't take it because I made that mistake. But look at the design of like everything on it. How cool is that?
Yeah.
Open it up.
This is one of the coolest, I think, limited edition runs of a GPU I've seen. Wow, dude, that's sick.
I was like, I didn't even want to open it because it looks so cool. Wait till you see the GPU.
Wow, it's heavy.
It is heavy.
Let's have a look. Whoa.
Look at that packaging.
Dude, that is sick. Wow.
That's the coolest GPU we've ever seen.
Wow, the paint job's like really good.
Yeah. Isn't that cool?
Yeah, it's like so detailed. Dude, I'm so excited to do the build with this.
I know.
You guys are gonna love it.
Speaking of the build, we'll talk to you later, Josh. We actually have plans for this GPU. When AMD reached out to us, we actually decided that we were going to do our own custom Starfield PC, and I'll put an image up for you guys now of what the plans are for that. So you will see that video here in the next couple of days. It should look really good once it's done. But I think that about completes it for the unboxing of the Starfield limited edition GPU and the CPU. And also remember, if you want to enter into the giveaway to have a chance to win this bundle, make sure you are following us on Instagram, and we will catch you in the next one.